Hey, what's up, guys? Just want to give you a little channel update and kind of let you know what the plan is for the spring season when we're getting really busy. So, unfortunately, I had two of my guys let me know the other day that they are leaving and not coming back this year. So, that completely screws everything up. Um, my whole plan this year, and it's been a plan for 2 years now, and this has happened now 2 years in a row. My whole plan this year was to run two separate crews, a crew doing service openings, all that kind of stuff, and then a crew doing larger projects like pool liners, installations, bigger equipment installs, all that kind of stuff. That's been the goal for 2 years now, and unfortunately, 2 years in a row now, I've had. Last year was a little different situation. I had to let someone go. This year, two of my guys that have been with me for years just don't want to come back to work. So I don't know if they found new jobs, what it was, but they literally let me know on Friday. I let them know Friday that we're starting Monday full time, and bang. So right now there's three of us, including myself. I really need at least 5 or 6 people. So I've been putting out hiring ads back out, putting Indeed ads back on Indeed, spending all the money I can on all these job websites. And I'm going to do whatever I can to try to find help in the next couple of weeks because we absolutely need to get a couple set of hands in here. So, one, I'm making this video. So, if anybody is looking for work and you're in our area, we're basically South Shore of Massachusetts. Specifically, we're based out of Avon. Anybody local that wants a job, we're looking for essentially anybody at this point. Ideally, someone with pool experience, but at this point, it doesn't matter. We just need someone who's going to show up for work, want to learn, and help us. We do have 3 head service techs in place, so that's not the issue. Right now, the issue is I just need hands to help those service techs, pulling pool covers off the pools, getting the pool, brushed down, cleaned up while the service tech is getting the filter started during the openings. When we're doing liner installs, I just need hands to help pull the liner up, take parts off the pool, bring stuff back and forth from the truck, dig, shovel, all that kind of stuff. And then eventually, when we get into maintenance season, as of right now, we're all going to jump around and clean pools. I don't want to do that, but I would love to have someone as a maintenance tech just doing the cleanings on their own. So we have plenty of opportunity here. We could create 10 different positions. So ideally, I want to hire at least a minimum of 2 guys or more. We'll see how it goes. The work's coming in. I've been literally in this office all weekend. I have not left this desk. So I'm just trying to come up with a plan A, B, and C how to handle this situation. So plan A is we find help. Everything goes as planned. Because the problem is I have work booked like crazy. The entire month of May is 100% booked. I have nowhere. And I just spent, here's my schedule book right here. I just spent probably 3 hours going through each day trying to figure out if we can physically fit any more work on, and it's just not possible. We're maxed out. So that's the other problem is I'm getting the calls, the work's there, it's just we're maxed. So I do have openings on our schedule the next couple weeks when it's slow, and I'm hoping to push people to that. And I am getting married first week in June. After the wedding, when I get back, it's gonna be mid-June at that point, but I got plenty of room there. So whatever, either way, we'll get it done. We ran 4 guys last year where we had 5. We've had 6 in years past. It's just frustrating because I had people lined up 2 weeks ago for interviews and I passed up on them figuring all my guys were coming back. There was no sign that they were leaving. And then all of a sudden when I say we're starting full time on Monday, bang. So it's kind of a big kick in the face. So, but yeah, it is frustrating because I have work booked. I've been pushing work all winter, trying to get stuff booked, lined up. We had a horrible snow winter, so we didn't make a ton of money. So, we did make some, but it's not, nothing to brag about. But I just, it's gonna be a busy one. It's gonna be a tough one, and unfortunately, as much as I want to get out of the field and be able to sit at this office and run this business more, again, this year is not going to happen. And I know other pool businesses deal with the same crap I do. I don't know what the solution is. I really thought my guys were happy. I treated them well. They paid extremely well compared to what other pool companies pay. I think we're paying pretty damn well. It is seasonal work. I get that, but I always try to keep the guys busy over the winter. So I know that's some of it, but I don't know. It's just frustrating. So at this point, I'm just ranting, but I just did want to give you guys an update. What's been going on behind the scenes? You probably haven't noticed a lot of videos coming out. I am gonna have some videos coming out from past years just to get some content up for you guys to watch. I will work on having videos coming, but it might just be one of those things. They might be staggered. There might be like a 2 week gap between them. It's just I'm gonna have my hands full this year. It's not ideal. And especially with a wedding coming up in 2 months that we're, you know, hosting and planning ourselves. My plate is beyond full, so it's gonna be a tough one. But I want to try to document this whole ride, and that's why I'm making this video and being completely transparent with everybody what's going on. I'm not gonna hide the stuff behind the scenes. Nothing's. A lot of these companies make it look like it's sunshine and rainbows. That's not the case all the time. I thought it was. I thought we had a full team lined up. I thought we were working well, and I thought it was going to be an awesome season, and here we are. So I don't know. It is what it is. So just wanted to give you guys an update. You may not see a lot of content, at all for the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna try, and I have been bringing the camera along with us doing stuff. We've been definitely working like crazy, and I got probably a whole day this week of ripping the shop apart, putting all the snow stuff away, tucking that away for the winter, and just getting organized. So I think my plan right now is just to film a ton of content, and when I get time, make it, send it out. So don't lose hope on us if you don't see the content on the channel. We're still alive. I've said it in almost all our videos, but go on our Instagram page, Crowley Pool Services or Crowley Snow Services. You'll find us. I post every single day on there, just about. Maybe not on Saturdays and Sundays, but I'm posting every single day what we're doing, different projects we're working on, all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot easier to make a 2-second post than it is to make a 25, 30-minute long video and sit and edit and stuff like that. So if you want to follow along with what we're doing, go on Instagram, follow us. And I promise I post just about every day updates and stuff like that, so and then obviously with the YouTube channel, we will definitely be doing our best to get videos out. I'm not saying they're not going to be coming. It's just there might be some gaps in between them, it might not be weekly, it might be every 2 weeks. If we get really hectic in May, it might, there might not be any videos in May, but we're not gonna, we're not disappearing. It's just we're busy, shorthanded, and at the end of the day, I'm not making much money on YouTube. If anything, I'm only making, $10 a video. So I'm doing this just because I enjoy it, and I know some of you guys enjoy it. So I got to focus on what actually makes us money, and that's pool work and the spring rush, and that's where all our money's made. So hopefully you guys understand that. But just wanted to kind of share what's going on. I'm not trying to be negative here or anything. I'm just trying to be completely transparent. That's kind of my whole goal on how I want to bring this channel. I want you to come along with the ride as we go through the ups and the downs, and we grow and stuff like that. And unfortunately, this is just one of those bumps that we're going to have to get over, and another mountain we're going to have to climb. We did it last year. We lost a guy same exact time with a lot of work booked. We put our heads down, 4 of us, and we got everything done. So this year, unfortunately, there's only 3 of us now. But the one good thing is we all have extremely, we all have a lot of experience with pools. The new guy I hired, he's got 10 years experience. I got 17 years experience. And David, he's going at least 5 or 6 years experience. He's been working with me ever since. So we do have a really awesome team in place, a lot of hard workers, and we're going to work real great together. We just need some hands now to join the team to build with us. So yeah, if anybody wants a job in this area, let me know. We're starting $18 to $20 an hour minimum, and then going up from there. Plenty of overtime in the spring. Average week, it's not mandatory overtime, but average week we work usually 50 to 60 hours, sometimes more. I work 24/7, but that's a different story. But yeah, so I'm not gonna probably go into any more details in this video, but I'll definitely try my best the rest of this week to show you some of the stuff we're doing. Hopefully maybe try to get a video up next weekend, and we still have a couple weeks before we get like absolutely crazy busy, so I'm going to try to keep these videos coming. But like I said, if you see a gap, just know that we're busy, and we'll be back. And like I said, go on our Instagram, Crowley Pool Services, or Crowley Snow Services. Type one of the 2 of them in, you'll find us. And just give us a follow on there. And feel free to message me anything. I have actually had I don't know if they're from YouTube or not, but I've had multiple people reaching out to me just, questions on how to do stuff. And I love doing that stuff. So, if you need help with anything or got questions, shoot me a message. I'll see what I can do to help, especially if any of you young guys and, just starting up a business or whatever. I'll see what I can do to help, not an expert on everything, but, I can definitely share my experience and see what I can do to help you guys. So, all right, I'm done ranting. We'll see you guys in the next video. Go check out, I will be putting up, I got 3 videos on deck. One just went out today on snow plowing from last year. It was one of our last storms, so just to get you guys some actual plowing content, because there's been none because this winter sucked. And then I got a couple pool related videos, which I know a lot of you guys aren't really interested in, but unfortunately that is our business. So I got a video from 2 years ago when COVID hit of us doing basically a full rehab on a pool plumbing system, moving all the pipes, cutting up a deck, putting a new filter in, heater, all that good stuff. And then I got a video of a liner install we did last year. So those are older videos that never made it up on the channel, but they'll be up in the next couple of days. So just something for you guys to watch. And then, like I said, I do have plenty of footage to work with. I just haven't had the time to put it together. And I've been filming, my guys think I'm crazy, but I've been walking around with a camera every day talking to myself. So I've been filming plenty of stuff. I just got to find the time to get here, get on the computer, and get it out to you guys. So, but I appreciate all the support. I appreciate everybody who's been along for the ride, making comments on these videos and following us, and even some of you guys that have jumped over to Instagram, and are following us on both platforms. That means a lot. It really does. We started this channel a couple years ago, and I really didn't take it seriously until about last year. And I'm not saying we blew up, but I mean, we got a ton of followers over the last year or so. Instagram, we have a good amount of followers, but that could definitely, we could use some more over there. So, but appreciate you guys. Gonna be positive here. So it's not all doom and gloom. Sorry if I sound like that. It's just been a rough weekend, sitting trying to figure things out, especially where we have an early start to the season with the weather and, a busy week coming up and no help. So it is what it is, the life of a business owner. We all deal with it. So see you guys in the next video. Go follow us on Instagram. See you later.